Tonight, look at this number, 40 degrees in Dallas, 41 in Fort Worth, 40 for Denton, 38 in McKinney. Temperatures along our Red River counties could very well dip close to about 32 degrees, if not slightly below that. And this will happen sometime between 6-7 in the morning, right before the sun comes up, which is about 7:35 for tomorrow. Our western counties are going to be slightly warmer in comparison, close to that 50-degree mark. Clear sky overhead. So this freeze warning, not only for North Texas, it extends into Oklahoma, the entire state of Arkansas, portions of Tennessee, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, up across the mid-Atlantic, dealing with this cold, and it's because of a large system that came through. That system initially brought us rain on Sunday, and another push of cold air that's stuck in the Midwest is going to continue to come on down. That air is also dry. That's what's helping push some of this cloud cover into portions of the hill country, into the Permian Basin, the Texas Panhandle. That's what's keeping some of this rain away. And that cold air will slowly filter in as time goes on. Chicago yesterday reported its first snowfall this early in the season. Yes, and that cold air will continue to move towards the south. Okay, so tomorrow, like I mentioned, about 40 degrees. We're going to see cooler weather right outside of the Metroplex. We generally see our warmer weather in the city because of all the concrete. So our coldest weather that we've had since March 24th, that's when we experienced 36 degrees, about 48 degrees on Thursday, 54 to start the morning on Friday, and then we'll warm into the 60s for Saturday and for Sunday mornings. Just to give you an idea, normally around this time of the year, temperatures to start the day are about 55, 56, and we're trending well below that. Okay, so tomorrow, we talked about some potential record, right? The record low for tomorrow is 38 degrees. Our forecast is 40. So if the wind just happens to kick up, we could either tie or maybe even break a record. I don't think we'll break any record high temperatures. The record cold high is 55. Our forecast is 65 for Wednesday. If you're thinking this is pretty early to feel this kind of cold, you're not wrong. On average, our first dip into the 30s for DFW specifically is November 2nd. So we are a few weeks ahead of schedule. The earliest 30-degree mornings on record, by the way, top 10, October 19th is on that chart. The last time we saw anything close to this was actually 2012, October 8th. We saw a morning with temperatures in the 30s. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out, just because those temperatures are right on that border of them being really impressive for us for Wednesday morning. Temperatures in the afternoon in the 60s. Look at this, 80s return for Thursday, Friday, and over the weekend. Next week, we could see a little rain back in the area come Monday and Tuesday. Mid-70s, middle part of next week. Cleo.
All right, Marielle, just tell me we don't go up to the 90s again.